Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been forever since I've done a video. I think it's been over a month or so. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy 2018, and I missed you guys. It's been so long and it feels so weird to actually be filming right now, but I'm so excited because I have an unboxing for you guys and also like an update of why I haven't been filming, and yeah. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. So if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Em and this is Thatsluxe. We are over 400 subscribers already, you guys. That's so crazy because I think when I restarted my channel, I didn't think that I would actually have subscribers, which is crazy. So thank you to all my new fellow subscribers. Hi! And if you've been my subscriber for a while, thank you so much for tuning in again and welcome. So today I wanted to be sharing with you a quick story of why I've been gone so long. So the last video I uploaded was actually, I think, over a month ago. And I think I filmed it maybe in November. Like, I don't even remember when I actually filmed it, but I think I uploaded it like over a month ago. So what happened? What has happened since then? I'm done with school, you guys. I actually graduated last December 18th. Was it December 18th? December 15th? Somewhere around there was when my semester ended. Officially done. Like, I'm so happy. And then Christmas happened and my husband flew in from Hawaii and my family came over from California. So we spent some time with them, and also like a lot of things, like deaths. We have family deaths, we had like accidents. I mean, overall it was a good year and it was a good finish to the year, but just so many things has happened. And also like my face was super like just insanely breaking out. I think I've shared it with you guys in like one of my vlogs or something, but thankfully my face is clearing up. I'm actually not wearing any like face makeup, like foundation or anything right now, because I'm trying to let my skin breathe and actually get better. But this is what it looks like, and I actually can't see that far because the camera's kind of weird and this is like not my usual spot, you know. What else has been happening? I gained hella weight. I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I gained, I think, like 15 pounds, which is pretty bad, but I'm trying to work on it. And yeah, before I do my unboxing, I think if you're not into this whole like life update thing, I think I'm gonna leave like the minute counting thing. I don't even know what it's called, like minute counter, or the time of when my unboxing happens. So this is a Chanel unboxing, and I actually have not bought anything in so long. I think since my Dior unboxing, and I didn't even buy that. It was my husband that bought me that bag. So ever since then, I haven't bought anything like luxury wise. What else did I want to share with you? The bag that I'm currently rocking is this beauty right here, and it is my Chanel Jumbo, and it is the double flap with the caviar leather, black with silver hardware. So that's the bag I'm using. And then my lip color is brought to you by MAC Cosmetics, and it actually looks like this, and it is in their retro matte liquid lip color in the shade Feel So Grand. My very dear friend from the Philippines, Denise, actually wore this in her Instagram post, and I was like, oh my god, I love that lip color. And she messaged me while I was in Japan, so I picked this up while I was in Japan, and I love it. Or maybe it might be in Hong Kong. I don't remember. Sometime during my Asia trip, during the summer, is when I picked this up, and I actually really like the formulation. Not drying at all, and it's very long lasting, honestly. I'm gonna chat with you while I do the unboxing, okay? So the very first thing that I'm gonna unbox is this beauty right here. Massive box from Chanel boutique at Saks Fifth Avenue. So quick story, you guys. Actually, I don't even know if it's gonna be a quick story, but so this beauty comes in this massive Chanel box. that I can hide behind from. Yes, yes. I've been wanting this bag in forever. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. I actually have not opened this since, and actually it was wrapped very nicely with a bow and whatnot, but let me just reveal to you what this bag is. So it comes in this box and this massive dust bag. You can see it kind of peeking through already. Put the box down. Why is this so small? Okay, I don't know why my dust bag is like super small, but this is what the dust bag looks like. And it comes in this dust bag, and if you could already see, that was a fail. It's this beauty right here. So this is the Chanel Deauville in the large size with the pink tweed, and it has the silver hardware, and it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Let's take a moment. So pretty, you guys. So pretty. Anyways, so let's see if this has the info. This is the authenticity card. This is what the product SKU is. So this bag retails for $2,900 here in the States. And this was the only Deauville left and a yellow color, but I prefer the pink one because obviously I'm in love with pink and that's like my favorite color. Come on, let's go. Let's be honest, you guys. So here she is, all stuffed and whatnot. Okay, story time, since I revealed my bag, and I'll like fiddle with it later, but she'll just sit right here. Oh, so I've been wanting a Deauville in forever. Ever since I can remember, I've been wanting a Deauville, but I've always wanted it in the gray with the white writing, or the dark denim, or like the black with like gray. Something dark and something very like everyday-esque. And then this came out. Actually, Minnie from Minx for All unboxed this beauty in her channel. And my heart was like, oh my god, I want it so bad. But I was in this phase, like I was in a funk where I actually didn't want to buy handbags anymore or like luxury goods. That's another reason why I haven't really done a video. Let me know if you guys want to like hear my very unluxury or my breakup story with luxury goods, like if that's even a thing. Does it even make sense? But my reason for not buying luxury goods anymore for like ever, if you guys want to hear a story time with that, please let me know in the comment section down below. So back to the story. So I saw Minnie unbox this and I was like, oh my gosh, I will never like ever see that bag again. And I've never seen it live. So, and plus I haven't been to the mall in forever, so that's another reason why I probably would never see it live if I didn't go to the mall. A couple weeks ago, me and my mom went to Neiman Marcus and they had a Deauville, but it was in yellow. It was exactly like a large Deauville, but it was in the yellow with like yellow handles, and exactly like this bag, but in yellow. And I was thinking to myself, like, if it was only the pink, I would want it. Like, I would really, really want this bag, but long story short, yellow, whatever. I'm not really into yellow. So, fast forward to yesterday, me and my mom were at the mall and had no thoughts and no plans of buying anything, except I was in a Gucci kick because I've been like loving the whole Gucci trend right now, and I told myself like I'm never really a Gucci girl, but that has changed. So stay tuned to part 2 of this video. Hint, hint, for another Bad Maria unboxing, okay? So fast forward, we go to Saks. I see this bag and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to freaking have it. So bought it, whatever. Came home, I saw Hey June's post. Like, she has a Deauville, I don't know what size it is. So I saw another Instagram post of like the Deauville here on Instagram. And then I had this thought of like, oh my gosh, what size is my Deauville? Because I literally picked it up from the store and they said they only had this one, and the yellow one. And I was like, okay, whatever. Like, I didn't really pay attention to the size. I knew I wanted a Deauville with a handle and also like the long strap. So like short handle right here with the long strap. And I wanted to use it for mainly like travel or like packing things, whatever, stuffing this bag to the brim pretty much. So I texted my SA and I was like, hey, what size is my Deauville, whatever, you know. And I asked if they had a smaller size, and she's like, yo, yeah, definitely we have a smaller size, whatnot. So she told me to go to the store first thing when they opened today, this morning. And I was like, oh my gosh, okay, fine, I'll be there. And she's like, yeah, it's the only one. You need to like go there at 10 a.m. right when the mall opens, because I don't want them to sell it to someone. And I was like, okay, fine, whatever. Woke up super, like, the snow was so thick, and it wasn't super cold out, but just the snow was ridiculous, and the snowfall was like thick as heck. And I'm like, okay. So I texted her again, and I was like, do I really need to come at like 10 a.m? At this point it was 9:30, and I live like 30-40 minutes from the mall. And I'm like, all right, fine, whatever. She did not reply to me. So I go there, and then I talk to my other SA. He's my friend, and he's like, yeah, you didn't have to rush here early in the morning for this. And then I get there, and it's not even the same, like, it's not the same style Deauville that I was thinking. It was a smaller size, so it was like half of this bag, no handles, and it's just the long strap. And I was like, what the f, yeah, not exactly what I wanted. But long story short, I decided to hold off and actually just keep this one. And I'm so glad that I did, because it's super cute, and it doesn't actually look that big now that I'm holding it. Like, this can actually just cinch in, and I think I can use it for like every day, or if I ever decide to use it not for just travel, you know. And it's so pretty, you guys, and I just wanted to share this with you. And yeah, what else did I want to update you on? That's pretty much it. There's gonna be a part 2 of this video because I have more unboxings to do. And as what I said, I'm gonna dedicate like a story time video for why I haven't done videos in so long, and why I was kind of turned off by like luxury and whatnot. So if you guys are interested in that video, let me know in the comment section down below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my very next unboxing. As always, I appreciate each and every single one of you. Happy New Year, and I'm so sorry that I haven't been uploading any videos. And yeah, so now you guys kind of know the reason why I've been gone for so long, and I hope you guys forgive me. And I hope you guys keep subscribing to my channel and love the content that I'm gonna bring in this year. And yeah, so I shall see you on my next one. Namaste and virtual hugs to everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.